great pleasure to welcome you all to our home of the Sri Lanka Army, the Army headquarters, particularly for the refresher training workshop for brigade commanders. I'm certain that some of you have come to this headquarters for the first time in life. We must be grateful to His Excellency the President, Gotabaya Rajapaksa, for granting us an office of this magnitude. Since I took over office as the Commander of the Army, I could not spare much time to address all brigade commanders at once. But I have spoken to you all in your respected tactical area of responsibilities, and that was especially due to the situation that we had time to time in this country, and last few months, especially due to the reason of the outbreak of COVID-19 in Sri Lanka. As of today, we have managed to control this epidemic successfully. We are such a great nation who control COVID-19 successfully. We can be proud of our own achievements. Hats off to the great people of our nation who are disciplined to assist and support us to prevent the spread of COVID-19 in Sri Lanka. I take this opportunity to thank His Excellency the President, Gotabaya Rajapaksa, and also Honorable Prime Minister Mahinda Rajapaksa and the government of Sri Lanka for their decisions that they took, the right decision that they took at the right time to prevent the spread of COVID-19. Special thanks goes to the Minister of Health, Honorable Pavitra Wanniarachchi, and her team from the health sector, who tirelessly work 24/7, giving guidelines to the nation in support of spreading of COVID-19. Army and our two sister services to be commended for the excellent service rendered, and it was second to none. Gentlemen, His Excellency the President, being an army officer who served the nation with valor, and the present Secretary of Defence has kept utmost trust on security forces, especially on Sri Lanka Army, to shoulder the gigantic task of rebuilding our nation. Lot of expectations on tri-services, especially His Excellency being the President and he being an ex-army officer. Secretary of Defence had been an ex-army officer. Not just ex-army officers who have been in the field, who have fought battles, who have proved that they are great leaders, commanders, officers, and a gentleman. And they are supporting at the highest possible level to assist and support, to build this organization, to build to what we want to achieve. I don't have to tell you today where the army stands today in front of the nation. Therefore, it is a must that we render our service to this nation with all might. And we have done it. People of this nation talk about nothing impossible now. The overall aim of this refresher training workshop is to upgrade understanding of the operational and administrative processes of the Army headquarters for better streamlining the command and staff capabilities of brigade commanders. In light of proceeding the refresher training is designed to acquaint you with the new skills, methods, and processes that would enable you to work with competencies to shoulder future challenges. The future challenges can come in any way. I wish you all the very best. Have a great session. Try to understand what these people, every lecturer, everyone standing behind this podium, nothing but they are trying to give you knowledge. Wish you all the very best. Thank you.